Hello guys, this is John Bennett from Wales Multi Engineering College doing MCA, and this is my project titled Cut Detection Wireless Sensor Network, and these are my project details, my name and register number and everything. And the main purpose of this project is to detect cut in wireless sensor network. For example, when you are transmitting data over a wireless sensor network, when there is a failure in some of its nodes, because a wireless transmission consists of several sensor nodes. When you are transmitting a huge amount of data, most probably maybe a less or a huge amount of data towards one destination, one source towards a destination, if there exists a failure in some of its nodes, transmission medium nodes, there exists a huge data loss. The actual data will never be received towards the destination. So there are some existing systems that has been proposed earlier for detecting such cuts and data losses, but there are some drawbacks as well. But what I proposed here is that each and every node will detect the data loss or data leakage or cut, whatever it is. So these are my hardware specification: processor, speed, RAM, hard disk, and everything. You can go with dual core or any later version. Maybe around, the speed is around 1.1 GHz, RAM 256 MB, minimum it requires 256 MB. Software specification: XP or later, front end Visual Studio, back end MS Access, going on with C#, .NET. This is my existing system, and this is the most efficient and widely used system, E-linear cut detection. But this is useful and efficient, but the problem with this is that it is only used for straight line cuts. For example, you have a source and destination, you have some sensor nodes in between, but everything should be placed in a straight line, not in a distributed network. When you have a tree-like structure where an arbitrary shape, it doesn't work. It is a workful system, but in some scenario, some certain cases, it won't work. But it doesn't suit for all other scenarios. That is a major drawback in E-linear cut detection. And again, they have proposed another approach, floating-based scheme. This is one of the most useful, and still there are some services has been offered with such scheme, floating-based scheme. A flow of data. A source node will always receive a message from each and every mediums, sensor nodes, that is used as a medium to transfer the data from one node, source node, to the Earth's destination node. But the main problem with this is that each and every node is receiving the data from the source node, the base station. When they receive, they actually downloading the file from the source node, a base station. So it requires high bandwidth allocation for each and every node to be detected, or each and every node to be downloaded. It requires a huge amount of data, and a huge amount of data loss will happen. So that's the problem with this floating-based scheme. It actually downloading each and every data. Each and every node is downloading data, so it requires high bandwidth allocation for allocating towards each and every node. And we have another cut detection algorithm. What has been proposed is called critical node detection. Critical node is something that separates when it is removed. When a node or link is removed, it will separate network components into two different components. But the problem with this is that even when there is no critical node has been detected, there is a possibility of existing a cut. For example, you can see from the picture, you have a huge network around ABC like that, and we have connection over A, B, and no other connection between any of these nodes. When there is a failure in B or A node, the entire node will get separated into two different components. This is what we call as critical node. With this algorithm, we can detect there is a cut exist or not. But the problem with this is that even when there is another link exists, for example, you have a G and H link towards there is a link, there is no critical node has been detected, but still there is a possibility of getting a cut, node failure occurs. So there is a problem with this detection algorithm as well. And the result advantage is what I have, what all the system, I mean, what all the drawbacks that our existing system has been explained in the previous slides as well. And this is what we propose. DCD, what we call it as distributed cut detection algorithms, is applicable when a network gets separated into multiple connected components of arbitrary shapes, not into straight line cuts. You don't need it to be. Don't need to be straight line cuts or a particular cut to a sensor network. The main approach here is that DOS and CCOS. DOS disconnected from source, CCOS connected but cut occurs somewhere. These two modules